If you've been around my channel at all, you know that I think LinkedIn is the best platform for businesses. In fact, I made a whole video about it, which I will put a link to in the description box below. But today I want to talk about 3 things every business owner needs to do on LinkedIn. So I am Cassandra and I help motivated professionals build their careers and businesses through practical tips to gain career confidence. So let's get started. So of course, before we get into it, I gotta say all the things. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like this kind of LinkedIn content, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when new videos come out. So let's get into the 3 things I think you need to do as a business. So number 1, you have to make a company page for your business on LinkedIn. Now, before, the company page was only for big corporations, but about a year ago, LinkedIn made it available to literally everybody, even if you are a company of one, even if it is your side hustle, you can create a company page as long as your company has a website. So to do that, I did make a whole video about it. I don't want to waste your time right now, but you should go watch that. It's a very quick how-to tutorial on how to make your company page. I'll put a link to it here. But the reason it's so important is, number 1, it will let you have a branded logo. Company being listed in your experience section, it now will have a logo next to it instead of just a sad little empty box. Then it also allows you to have employees say they work there as well. So even if you have 2 employees, they can now list it under experience with your company name and the logo. And when people go to the company page, they can see that you have employees there. It also is a great place to then just talk about your business and what you do. In the experience section, we'll talk about what the company does instead of what they do in the company. So in your experience section, even if you are owner of your business, I want you to tell me what you do as an owner in the description. And then on the company page, you can tell me what your business is about. So make sure you set up that company page. The second thing that is really going to grow your reach on LinkedIn, and I am going to fully admit I myself need to be better about this, you need to create video, and you want it to be under 1 minute, and you want it to be subtitled. Because here's the thing, most of us are looking at LinkedIn at work, and we don't always have the capability to click sound on, but we can read your subtitles. So make sure to create video for your company and have it subtitled. Now, right now, I've been using the Quick app, so I can leave a link to that in the description box as well. It doesn't work on iOS, but it does work on Macs, PCs, etc. So it is something that you need to plan out if you're just going to go on your phone and film something and put it on LinkedIn. I've really enjoyed using that software. It just makes it a lot easier to use an automated captioning service to get it up on the platform quickly and without having to send it somewhere and all that kind of stuff. So I will leave a link to that in the description box below, but you want to have captioned videos. This is going to help expand your reach because LinkedIn is really favoring video content right now, but video content that's captioned means more people can see it, hear what you're saying, and are willing to share it to others. Okay, so last thing, you need to reply to every comment. So just like you probably are already doing on Instagram or Facebook or maybe YouTube, if you have a YouTube channel, you need to be replying back to every single person who comments on your stuff on LinkedIn. So if you post something and one person says something back, reply back to them. If 25 people do it, reply to all 25. If 300 do it, get ready while you watch TV tonight, you're hitting reply and just typing away. So make sure to stay in contact with people. It's going to make them have a deeper affinity for you. They're going to want to, talk with you again next time. So show them that you appreciate them being part of the conversation so that they want to keep talking. So that is it for today. I hope this content has been helpful. If it has, please give this one a thumbs up. Also, if you're like, this all sounds great, but my LinkedIn profile is crap and I haven't touched it since 2013, no worries. I have a free LinkedIn All-Star profile checklist in the description box below. So go look at that and start checking off all the items to get an awesome profile and get started on the platform. Hopefully this has been helpful to you, and that is it for today. I will see you in the next one.